Hey folks, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got another Jeep. This is a 1987 Jeep Wrangler, the very first year for the Jeep Wrangler. This one has 43,700 original miles. It's a manual transmission. It's got the 2.5 liter motor in it. Very well cared for. Sourced this one locally. You can tell it's highly modified. Really nice Nicky Thompson tires. It's got a lift kit. See, these are the 33 by 12.5 on 15-inch wheels. It's got the big tire carrier on the back, swings out. Nice sound system. This one has a front and rear camera that you can see through the mirror. It's an aftermarket rear view mirror. We do have the full hard doors and a white hard top for this. These are the half doors. These seats are aftermarket, front and back, all in very good condition. There's no wear here on these bolsters. Steering wheel's in great shape. You can see here 43,714. Manual transmission, aftermarket console. It's got a CB radio. Real nice sound system. Here it's got a kicker subwoofer back there at the bottom of the console. Got a bimini top on it there. You don't have to take that on and off. You can put the hard top on right over that. Big meaty tires, fender flares, rock guards there on the side. Nice suspension, light bar on front. Got some LED headlights, puddle lights. This one's outfitted really nice, really tastefully done. The ride's great. Fun to drive with the top off. Give us a call, text, or email. We do respond quickly. Go ahead and subscribe, like the video, make a comment. I love seeing comments. I always respond. Very nice Jeep, no rust. We do offer extended warranties for classic cars and new late model cars, so you can ask us about this. Very cool though. Jeeps are always popular. They hold their value very well, and they're a lot of fun. So we do sell a lot of Jeeps here. Hope to hear from you on this one. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country. And we can do deals long distance. Let's give you a nice close-ups of everything here. The bottom is real nice too. There's no rust under there. Body's in great shape. Cash deals are always easy as well, but financing, we can work with any bank. So hope to hear from you on this one. Just reach out if you got any questions or want some extra video or pictures, and we'll get those to you. Talk to you soon. Thank you.